Hey everyone, welcome back to SSBeauty's official YouTube channel.
Again, you said SSBeauty.
Booty? Booty. Hey everyone, welcome back to SSBeauty's official YouTube channel. This is episode 2 of the Beauty Stop series. My name is Shreya and this is Resham. And what are we doing for today's video, Resham?
So since Holi is around the corner, we're going to share a couple product recommendations. I'm so excited for Holi, isn't it so fun?
Yeah, Holi is actually really great. I love that you get to spend time with your friends and family. I think it's one of the most fun festivals in India.
I love the music and the colors and all the other stuff that comes with it.
I know, but I think one thing that we can all agree on is the skin and hair damage it does. Like especially people who play with pakka rang, man, that is so bad. I've had some really bad experiences, but I think over the years, like I've learned of products and routines that work for me.
So that's exactly why we're doing this video, so we can share some of our skincare and hair care tips with you guys and products that we're loving right now.
Yeah, just be a little more prepared this time so your skin and hair will thank you later on. So the first product we're going to talk about is this oil right here. Hair care is so important, honestly. Holi colors really damage your hair. So what I like to usually do is apply tons of hair oil on my hair before I go out to play Holi. And this oil right here is amazing. It reduces all sort of like dandruff and dryness, and it really like nourishes your hair. It's just so easy to even wash it off. Like when you wash it off, the Holi colors just come off like really easily. So this is one product that we highly recommend.
The other thing I really like about this Kama product is that everybody puts oil on before Holi because they know that their hair is going to get a lot of color on it. But at the same time, this is just going to help like treat your hair and make it like softer and better. So it's like a 2-in-1 type of situation.
It's like a hair spa. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
So my next highly recommended product is this shower oil by Sadhev. If you haven't used one before, it's great for like hydrated skin. It just helps like treat your skin while you're showering. It's very gentle for sensitive skin. It's great. And also you don't have to use a moisturizer after. For Holi, you should definitely use a moisturizer, but this is very good on its own as well.
I'm gonna be really honest, I haven't used a shower oil before, and this is actually the first time that I'm hearing of it, so I think I'm gonna try this on.
It's really good for hydration, and also like people put oil on like before Holi, but this kind of does the job and it like doesn't leave you super sticky.
Holi colors?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. When you're out in the sun enjoying with your friends and family playing Holi, do not forget to wear SPF. This is like the topmost skincare tip that I give everyone. Honestly, sun damage is like irreversible, so don't do that to your skin. Here we have 2 SPF products. One is the Minimalist body lotion. It's got vitamin E, which is great, so it like really hydrates your skin. And the other one is this Kimirica face sunscreen. Again, really great. Both of these sunscreens provide protection from UVA plus UVB rays, which is amazing. And what I love about both these products are that they do not leave a white cast. Honestly, I hate sunscreens that do that.
We are also going to talk about this body yogurt, which is amazing. It's from Arcelia, which is our in-house brand, and they do a lot of stuff. And I can't open it right now because I swatched the SPF, help me.
Wait, let me try it.
But it's really good. It's like more hydrating than a body butter, but it's a little bit lighter in texture.
Really nice.
It is. We actually have them in a lot more scents than this. I really also like the muskmelon one.
What scent
but
is
this
that?
is, I think it's cherry blossom. Yes.
Ooh, that's really nice. I love the...
Yeah. And it's like more lightweight than a body butter, but it is more hydrating. It's really nice in texture, and you should definitely...
Since you've tried on the Minimalist one. Ooh, it's very lightweight.
I needed SPF. We're under a lot of lights.
It's really nice. It's really like lightweight.
It's super light.
I thought it's going to be super thick, but it's not. It's like really lightweight.
I do prefer it over a body butter because it's just like a little bit lighter and smoother in texture, and it just like
smells
soaks
amazing.
in. Yes.
As you guys know, sheet masks are amazing. This is by Earthi. This sheet mask not only hydrates your skin but also gets rid of any sort of dullness that you may have. You know, those Holi colors like really make your skin dull and crusty, which I hate.
Crusty.
Yeah, crusty is the word. You can give yourself like a nice spa treatment, little like self-care kind of session, which I love.
I also want to mention that this is the world's first Kumkumadi oil sheet mask. It is really good at what it does, and everyone loves a good Kumkumadi product. But this sheet mask is something to get your hands on because it just launched a while ago, but it is still very new in the market. And you should definitely try this because there's nothing like it you've tried before. So the next product I'm going to be talking about is this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. This is great because everybody knows all the hype around hyaluronic acid. Everyone loves it. It's great for hydration.
Yeah, actually hyaluronic acid is like a miracle in a bottle for anybody who has dry skin or even combination skin. So this product is actually pretty cool, you guys. And that brings me to the next product, which is this toner right here, you guys. Toner is like super amazing. You need to apply this like on a cleansed face. It really like balances out all the like pH levels in your skin. It really helps with clogged pores. It really like cleanses out everything. So your skin is like super soft and hydrated, but at the same time like super clean.
So the next thing we're gonna move on to is this advanced Snail all-in-one cream. Everybody has heard about it, everyone's talked about it, and I put moisturizer last right after my Revitalift because after hyaluronic acid, you should seal in all that hydration that you just got with a really good heavy-duty moisturizer, and this is really good. So you've got the perfect little skincare routine here. You can start with the Klairs toner, then you can put on this hyaluronic acid, and to finish it all off and make sure that the hydration is locked in, you can finish it up with this Cosrx Snail cream. So that was our last product that we're going to be talking about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to grab any of these products, you can check it out at our link in the description. A lot of these products are on sale right now. So if you like this video, Shreya is going to tell you what to do now.
Yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you guys can be notified each time we upload a video. Having said that, we will see you guys next time. Bye! Happy Holi! Hi everyone, welcome back to SSBeauty. Oh, it's action.
Reshon's like one of those children, you have to like stay still, stay still.
1 second. Un momento, por favor.
Action.